It is said to be the greatest city in the world, but it is not the cleanest by any means. Every day, NYC residents produce over 12,000 tons of waste. The green wire mesh litter bin, which is the most widespread design in use, has remained largely unchanged since 1930s. Led by NYC Department of Sanitation, BetterBn NYC is a design competition that calls out for all designers to reimagine a modern litter bin that can suit nowadays New York City. Since its launch in August, more than 100 design teams from all over the world have entered the competition. New York-based innovation studio Tomorrow Lab is one of them. With a team of 4, the designers delivered their own creativity in their bin design.
That the current design is very good, so the bar is very high. It's a very simple assembly, so our costs are around $60 to $70 depending on different quotes. So we've integrated a specially designed bottom that allows for a good tilt angle when you're dragging the bin. We've created a ring along the top that allows you to roll the bin, and that makes the whole ejecting of the trash motion easier once you're at the truck. So we've made sure that it's as comfortable as it can be to use this bin. We have a big mouth design for parades or big events where you want people to be able to stack lots of trash on it. But we also have a closed top design, which you can put in extremely windy neighborhoods, or if you have a problem with people putting all of their domestic waste, in these trash cans, you can temporarily put those in. And then we have a few different tops just for future applications for recycling. Most of the parts are made from stainless steel. We also wanted our bin to be rodent-proof, and the best kind of rodent protection you can provide is galvanized steel. We've worked to really prolong as much as possible the use life of our bin by making it a modular and repairable design. But when the mesh deforms, usually the structural members are intact, and in the current design, you have to replace the whole bin. So we've created a product architecture that allows you to actually replace the mesh and keep the structural members. So that means that instead of replacing an entire trash can, you're just replacing one component, and the only component you have to replace is the mesh, which is not the most expensive one.
The competition finalists will be announced in the end of October, and their designs will be made in prototypes to place around the city.